So now I'm going to discuss master method. Okay, so let me write the master method. Very important, you can expect few questions, not few, maybe one or two in the exams, coming exams also, so concentrate heavily. Okay, so what is master method? Let me write. Master method provides cookbook solution. Cookbook solution for the recurrence relation. Okay, cookbook means quick solution. It will provide a quick solution. Okay, but what is the constraint? Cookbook solution for the recurrence relation or the recurrences of the form what is the form? Just now I said Tn equal to A T n by B plus Fn. If the recurrence relation is of the form this, then you can directly apply master method. Okay, so master method directly applicable here. You will get a quick answer, quick solution. Now what is A, what is B? Here A is equal to constant, B is also equal to constant. A should be greater than equal to 1. First thing, A should be greater than equal to 1. B should be greater than 1, not equal to, B should be greater than 1. Okay, and these both A and B are constants. This A and this B, I'll tell you. And Fn is an asymptotically positive function. Fn is an asymptotically positive function the master method requires memorization of 3 cases. Now if this is the case, now here A has to be greater than 1, B has to be greater than equal to 1, B has to be greater than equal to 1, and Fn one asymptotically positive function if it is there, if the recurrence relation is of the form this, then you have, and let us say Tn be the non-negative integers by the recurrence. So finally I am representing the master method in terms of Tn. Already I have represented over here, no need of writing again. So Tn that I have written over here, where you interpret n by b, here n by b, this one n by b can be equal to either floor of n by b or ceiling of n by b. Okay, so floor value and ceiling value, both you know what is floor value. So this is the floor value. So if it is 5.3, floor value will be 5. Okay, and ceiling value, if it is 4.8, ceiling value will be 5 again. Okay, so floor value of this thing. So this is that, and Tn can be bounded asymptotic. Now if this is the situation, then finally you can write three steps. Okay, 3 steps. These 3 steps you have to remember. So for that I am going to rub little bit. What are the 3 steps? 3 steps are: number 1, if Fn equal to Fn, which one is Fn? Now in case of master method, your eyes should be always first on this portion Fn. Remember that you should look at Fn first. Okay, so if you are looking Fn first, then if Fn equal to big O of n to the power log b to the power a minus epsilon for some, nothing to worry about, for some constant epsilon, for some constant, sorry, epsilon which is greater than 0. Epsilon is greater than 0, this guy, this epsilon is greater than 0, okay? Epsilon is greater than 0. Then Tn, directly you are writing the solution. Tn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a. That's all. This is the answer. This is the time. This is the solution for this recurrence. If the recurrence, if fn equal to O n to the power log b to the power a minus epsilon, then directly you can write theta. Solution is Tn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a. Point number 2. Point number 2. If fn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a, let me rub this one. If fn equal to this, fn means this one I am talking about, okay, then solution Tn should be equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a log n, okay. This is the second condition. Now let us discuss about the third condition and the final condition. If fn equal to omega n to the power log b to the power a plus epsilon, okay, plus epsilon for some constant epsilon greater than 0, and if a f n to the power b less than equal to c into fn for some constant c less than equal to 1, and all sufficiently large n, then the solution directly will write as Tn equal to theta of fn. That means solution is this one. That means whatever is there directly you can write as a solution, okay. So these are the 3 points, major 3 points which we have to follow. This is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third point. Now look at these 3 points carefully, and we are going to implement these 3 points in our next problem, okay. So I'll take a problem and I'll solve it, okay. I'll take a problem and I'll solve it. So 3 points. First is fn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a minus epsilon. Epsilon is greater than 0. Then Tn directly will be writing theta n to the power log b to the power a. Second point is if fn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a, then we will directly write solution Tn equal to this. Third point is omega this, the some constant this, and directly we will write Tn equal to theta of fn. Now let us take one problem and let us solve it, okay. One sample recurrence relation solved by master method. Okay, let the problem be this: Tn equal to 9 T n by 3 plus n. Okay, this is the problem. So first you have to see whether the problem that is there, that is given to you, is actually in the form of master method form or not. Then only you can apply. So you know that master method form is what? Master method form you can write like this: Tn equal to a T n by b plus Fn. Okay, so now here if you compare, then a equal to 9, b equal to 3, and Fn equal to n. Our eye should be always on Fn. What kind of Fn we have? If it is quadratic, linear, constant, cubic, okay, or exponential. Seeing that itself, we can apply master method. So this is the case. Now you have to see among all these three methods which one should be applicable over here. So let us try with the first one. First one said that first step says that Fn equal to, if Fn equal to b go n to the power log b to the power a minus epsilon for some constant epsilon greater than 0, then we can directly write solution as Tn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a. Okay, we have to see that. So let us take our Fn. Our Fn is nothing but this one, Fn, which is nothing but n. So n equal to, if you can b go n to the power log, value of b is 3, so we will be writing here 3. Value of a is 9, so we will be writing here 9, and then epsilon. Okay, this is what you should write. So this can be rewritten as n log 3 and then 3 square minus epsilon, because 9 can be written as 3 square, no problem. So ultimately it becoming big O n log n square, okay, n square, and this is log 3 to the power 3 is 1. So basically it is becoming something like this. I'll just rub it. So this becoming n square minus epsilon, something like that. Okay, so this is n square, and then we are subtracting one positive quantity, which is epsilon is greater than 0. Then there is a chance that this n square may come up to n. If you subtract, if the epsilon is near about 1, near to 1, then if you subtract that from 2, then this guy will become n. Chances are there. So if this is the case, then what will be your solution? Your solution will be this one, which is Tn equal to, so in that case the solution is Tn equal to, let me take the red color so that it will be easy to understand. Tn equal to theta, this theta, solution n to the power log b to the power a, n theta n to the power log, what is a b? B is 3, a is 9, and then finally you can write theta n to the power log 3 square you can write, and then it will become theta n square. This is the answer. Okay, now if you go with the case number 1, theta n square is the answer, which is the probable answer. Okay, now if you take the second option, if you take Second option, if you take, second option says that option 2 says that Fn equal to, if Fn equal to theta n to the power log b to the power a, which is nothing but n. Fn is nothing but n, so n should be equal to theta n to the power log b is nothing but 3, a is 9, so it will come up as n log 3 square, so theta n square. So no way, if you don't subtract anything from here, this n square won't be reduced to n. R Fn is n, so it is not happening here. Okay, so option 2 is wrong. Option 3, there is no chance, because in option 3 Fn equal to, if Fn equal to omega n to the power log b to the power a plus epsilon, so in our case n is this, so you have to write n to the power log b is 3 and a is 9 plus epsilon. So already n square, this has given, if you add epsilon to it, it will be more than n square, it will be n cube or something like that. So option 1 is the correct option, and with that option with our results, the output of this, the solution to this problem is nothing but theta n square. Okay, so the solution to this problem is nothing but theta. So which step is applicable? Step number 1, the rule number 1, you can call it rule number 1. So it gives us theta n square. That is the answer. So this is the complete explanation of master method. I hope you have enjoyed. Okay, any other, you can solve it. Tn equal to 4t n by 2, one second, a to the power b to the power. Okay, so 4 n by 8 plus n square, problem number 1, and problem number 2 is Tn equal to 2t n by 2 plus 1.